Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but welcome back. I've been away for a whole month, I believe. I was sick, under the weather, coughing, sneezing, not being able to talk for a whole couple of weeks. Went on antibiotics and got the trash out of it. But I'm much better now and I'm back. So we're gonna be doing an unboxing today, the usual unboxing. So I didn't do an unboxing last month. As I said, I wasn't feeling well. I have last month's unboxing. If you want to know, do comment below and let me know. But I have this month's unboxing, which is the March unboxing with Birchbox and a Glossybox. I'm gonna open Birchbox first. International Women's Day. So they give us this box. It's got all type of colourful women on it. Gorgeous. So I'm going to show you what we got. So first off, there's a liquid eyeliner. It's by the Beauty Crop, and it's called Wind Woman. It's a black eyeliner. I literally get eyeliners all the time in my boxes. So I have a few going at the moment, which I haven't opened yet. So it's good to have an eyeliner because you have to change it every 3 months. So it's worth it. Daily Concept, and it's an exfoliating dual texture scrubber. I believe this is for your body. Individuals who think and sing in the shower. So it's a mild one and it's clinical to all skin types. It's perfect for traveling. I have a few of their products and I haven't used it, so well, it's nice to have another one, why not? Balance Me Vitamin C Repair Serum. So it's a travel size and it says 99.8% natural, it's vegan. Smooth serum onto cleansed face, neck using gentle upward strokes. There's N4 and this is the blow dry lotion. I've had a couple of products from them last year in Birchbox and I believe Glossybox as well, but it was mainly Birchbox. I have a few of their stuff. I use it on my extensions. I wouldn't use these on my hair because I believe it's for white people. It says distributes evenly throughout damp hair, blow dry as styled. So it's a blow dry serum or it's blow dry lotion. Nothing fancy about that. And the last item in the box is Forgive Me Susie. This is the item that you can choose like what color shade you wanted. I chose Dancing Queen and I'll swatch. We have a palette from them. Was it January or December palette? And this is the shade right there. It's a gorgeous shade. Rose gold shade. Shimmer is very nice, like if you just put it on your eyes, and just just blend it out as an eyeshadow. That's everything in the Birchbox. The next box is the Glossybox leaflet. It says all eyes on me. It smells amazing. The leaflet actually smells good. This item is mascara and it's an Ico Black Magic Mascara. And it's mini mascara. These retails for £10. Size retails for £16. I know this off by heart because I used to work with Ico and I used to use this mascara like crazy. It's amazing mascara, I'm not gonna lie, one of my favorite mascaras. Next item is MCO Beauty. This is a lipstick, long lasting lipstick, and this is a full size. It says hydrating finish, ultra creamy formula. We're gonna try that now. So this is the shade. It's the container it came in. It's very nice. It kind of looks like KK Beauty type of packaging. I'm just gonna put some on because why not? I love this color. It's like a pinkish nude color. I've ruined it now, but that's how it looks like with a brown lip liner. Gorgeous, and it feels super smooth and hydrating on the lips. My lips doesn't feel dry, so that's a good one for spring. Next item is a highlighting palette by Sleek Makeup, and this is in the shade Copper Plate. Oh, this packaging is gorgeous. Oh wow, you can actually use it as a mirror. I can see myself so clearly. I look gorgeous. So this is a highlighter. Finally, a highlighter I can use. I like it. Look at that. Okay, so look at that shade. I can use this shade here. I can use that shade. I can use literally all the shade. This is like a dark, no, this one here is a dark rose gold. That's a lighter rose gold. This looks more like an orgasm by NARS. And then that's like a champagne color. And that's a gold. A real gold. Gorgeous colors. I can actually use this. It's beautiful. Awesome. Finally something from Sleek I can use. Perfect. I have a lot of highlighters. I love collecting highlighters, so why not add more? It's full size and it retails for £9.99, so £10. Kate London, and it says Stamp and Drag, and it's got an eyes in it. Okay, I think this is a Stamp and Drag eyeliner duo. So that's how it looks like out of the package, and I believe it's a black eyeliner. So it's a really like thick eyeliner. Yeah, it's quite thick. So that's the eyeliner, and on the other side it's a stamp, like so. So if you're like really bad at like wing liner or cat eyeliner, you can just stamp it. Oop, stamp it right there at the end, and then use the other side to just draw it on. Another eyeliner in the bag. These are things that I would definitely be keeping in my drawers. It's a full size, and this retails for £15. Daily cleansing cream. So this is ready to make an impression thanks to this 2-in-1 cleanser and moisturizer. You will have beautiful, soft and hydrated skin that will earn you endless compliments. Use as a gentle face wash by massaging it into wet skin, then rinse with warm water, or use it as a moisturizer by massaging it into dry skin until it is fully absorbed. This is interesting. I would definitely be using this, and it's a full size, and this retails for $7.99 for a full size. It's not bad for like a cleanser and a moisturizer in one. I would definitely use this to like pre-cleanse, and if you don't know what pre-cleanse is, I will be making a video pretty soon about like skincare. So that's everything that we got from the March box. Easter's coming soon, so Glossybox will be doing an Easter egg as I do every year. If you get a golden egg, Glossybox golden egg, you get £100 voucher for Look Fantastic, and a £150 My Bag voucher, and a Luna Mini 3 with a deluxe spa day for 2 with £248 from Village Hotel. So this is going to be going on in March, so this month. So watch out for the Easter egg. I'm not sure when it's going to be out, but do watch out for the emails. VIPs, we will be getting ours earlier. A Glossyboxer, but you just like to buy the Glossybox, and our subscribers, you also be getting it like later on. So watch out for the Easter egg. I had the Easter egg last year. If you want to see what it's like it's going to be in the same shape as an Easter egg, and it's amazing. Get a lot of product in a little pot. So thanks guys for watching this video. I'll be back soon, I promise. I'm feeling so much better. I'm happy to be back on camera again. Yay! Let me know if you've tried any of these products before. I am experimenting with skincare. I have learned so much from skincare for a couple of months now. I'm ready to educate you, but do comment below. Let's see what we're doing this spring. Are we going away on holiday? Are we staying here in London, enjoying the not so good weather? But it's getting better now. It's actually sunny today, so keep watching my videos and support your girl. Bye guys.